Blind parents, stand up. You know how Mr. Bean rolls like a banana, land on your bottom? Not gonna happen. Blind parents, stand up. Or sit down. We can definitely sit down. Have I got some tips for you? So here are 5 tips that have helped me as a visually impaired parent, and hopefully they help you.
Communication and transparency.
Make sure that you communicate with your children. Just communicate with them about the level of sight you may have and what you might need them to do, so that just you're both on the same page. Like, for example, for me, when we're walking outside, they know to be quiet when we need to cross the road, because I use my ears and not my eyes when we're crossing the road. So they know, shh, mommy needs to listen to know when to cross the road. So it's little things like that. Or maybe when you've dropped something and they know not to move things, stop, just little things like that. If they're aware, then life is much more smooth. And of course, they are children. They might not understand very well, but sometimes they get it, sometimes they don't, and that's okay.
The color code.
2 is, here's a hack, wear black. I'm currently dressed in black, and if you are visually
Editing Sylvia here. When you're blind and you record yourself and do your own editing, things happen, clips go missing, you know, we move. So what I was saying is, when you wear black, your clothes are less likely to show mess, because children and their fingerprints and their sticky hands, oh, we love them. So yeah, just if you wear darker colors, then they're less likely to show any kind of mess that might go on you. However, this does come with a disclaimer that if it's paint, it might show, and if it's baby sick, it also might show. So yeah, your feet are the broom.
children will be children, and there will be many toys around the house. And as a blind parent, you really don't want to feel like you're limiting your children. You want them to be free and enjoy their childhood and everything. So making them put the toys in one corner, or put the toys away, or just not having the toys, is just not an option. So what I've found useful for me is the slide walk. Like, you literally shuffle when you're walking. Don't pick up your feet up off the ground. That way you're not going to step on any Legos or anything else for that matter. You won't step on one of those tiny balls and like woo, roll like a cartoon. You know how Mr. Bean rolls like a banana, land on your bottom? Not going to happen.
Educate their educators.
And finally, communicate with their school and let them know what your needs are. So, for example, if you have parents' evening, they need to know how they can show you their work. If they have homework, you need to be able to communicate with them and look after their homework and help them with their homework. So whatever it is method that you use, you let them know. If you're fully electronic, you let them know. School concerts and everything, you let them know that you may need to sit in a certain space, and they will definitely look after you. In my experience, once I've let my children's school know about my needs, it has only been a positive experience. It's been nothing but helpful for me. So don't feel shy, don't feel like you're burdening people, that you are within your rights to let them know about your needs, and so you can continue, you can communicate with them and look after your children like how you're supposed to and how you want to. Remember, if you're struggling, parenting is a challenge for all of us. If you need some support from other people like you, if you need some advice, there's a very vibrant online community, so seek other people like you, reach out to the local council, sight loss charities. There are so many ways and so many parts that you can get the help that you may need or the support that you may need. You've got this.
Bloopers. Chair unexpectedly spins, throwing me off balance.
I got... What's the second tip? Tip number...
Stay tuned for a Blind Mom Live compilation.
Hi, I'm visually impaired and I'm a mum. And this is how I avoid tripping over my children's toys.
I literally glide across the floor and keep my feet as flat as possible. Here's another angle for you. Otherwise, oop, that would happen. I'm a blind mom and I have total night blindness. So 2 ways I keep track of my children after dark, apart from their chatter, is light up shoes and bright accessories.
My mum is blind. Of course, I find everything for her. My mum is blind. Of course, my hair is always a bird's nest. But my my hair's always pretty. My mom is blind. Of course, I check my own homework, or I don't do it.
Ah.
My mom is blind. Of course, she doesn't read with me, but she does. And that's all false.
How does a blind mom put toothpaste on her children's toothbrush? What you want to do first is grab your phone and open the AI app. What you want to do next is throw the phone away and pull your finger out. What I really do is I just pop the toothpaste onto my finger like that, because I can feel it. And then I pop it onto the toothbrush like that. And we're good and done. Don't forget to clean your hands. A thank you would have been nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Squeaky clean teeth. Go Nara. Myself like, what did I do? What did I do? Like, I kind of blame myself.
You need to pencil them like for 1 more minute.
Okay. Apparently they're not done.
Beautiful. Magenta's so good. Instant. Mom, it's instant.
Oh yeah.
I'm the only reason she can look good right now.
Last week of the summer holidays, let's go. I had some errands to run and somebody wanted to come with me, so here we are. I had a few things to do, like for example I needed to buy, oh my gosh, he's holding my hand, how cute is that? I wanted to buy some hair extensions. I listened to him, he picked the colour. It's going to be interesting, guys. I did microblading on my eyebrows a while ago, but I do have to do some upkeep, so I regularly get them waxed and then have a tint done. It's not something I do, maybe like every 3 months or something. And then we got some donuts, went to a few other shops, bought bubbles for Nara. Yeah, so my errands ended up taking about 2 to 3 hours because, you know, I wasn't by myself. But yeah, this is how my eyebrows look at the end.
Why should I not tuck you in yet? What are you waiting for?
You're waiting.
What am I waiting for? Oh, look who's finally joined us.
Sorry for the wine. I'll say something.
Wow.
With my super running.
That's so healthy. You went for a walk after dinner. Look at you. Last day of Easter break. Woo! I'm happier than you lot are. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes! Last day of Easter holiday selfie.
Oh no, it's a dinosaur rampaging.
Hi Bixby. Turn off talkback.
Hey Mom. You know what you can't turn off talkback on? What? Me.
Excuse you?
Yeah.
And you know, there's this cane and that cane and that cane.
Yeah, that's right. They all have V's at the top. What hold it? Subscribe